In today's video, I want to show you how to create custom grid index features in ArcGIS. Okay, so to do that, I will first of all add my study area shapefile. Okay, so I'm trying to navigate to the folder that I have my shapefile. Okay, here is my shapefile. Here is my study area. So to do that, I will go to cartography tools. Okay, then click on this icon to open. Come down to grid index features. Okay, this interface will pop up. Input feature class. I will choose the folder that I want to save my work. Okay, input feature, that will be my study area. Then I will scroll down, come over to generate polygon grid that intersect input feature. I will make sure that it is checked. Okay, then polygon width, I will change it to be at kilometer. The unit, then the width, I will make it to be, or make it to be by 2 by 2. Scroll down, number of rows and columns, I'll make it to be 30 by 30. After doing that, I will click on OK. Okay, you can see that the grid has been created in all my study area. Okay, so to better appreciate this, I will close this window and come over to color and make it hollow. Okay, so after doing that, I will right click on it and open the attribute table. Okay, you can see that it has generated page number and page name. If you want to know the it will appear on the grid. It will highlight on the grid. Okay, so after doing that, I want to clip out my study area. I want to make the study area the grid to fall only in my study area. So to do that, I will come over to geoprocessing and scroll down to clip. I want to clip out my study area. Okay, input feature, that will be my grid. Clip feature, that will be my study area. Okay, after doing that, I will navigate to the folder that I want to save my work. After doing that, I will click on save. We'll click on save and OK. Okay. So after doing that, our study area has been clipped out. So I will come over here. I will uncheck the previous one. You can see that the grid is only in our study area. So to appreciate this, I will come over here to change the color and make it hollow. Okay, so you can see the page number and the page name. If I want to add a label to it, I will click on it and come down to properties. Okay, then come over to label field, or make it to be at I will choose page number. Then set my font size and make it bold. After doing that, I will click on apply and OK. So guys, that is how to create costume index feature in ArcGIS. Thank you for watching.